Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between misty mountains, there stood an old, abandoned house known as the Holloway Manor. The townsfolk whispered tales of its haunted past, claiming that anyone who dared to enter would never quite be the same. One chilly autumn evening, a curious teenager named Sam decided to challenge the legends. Armed with nothing but a flashlight and a racing heart, he approached the creaking front door, which seemed to groan in protest as he pushed it open. The air inside was heavy with dust and a musty smell, as if the house had been waiting for him for years. As Sam stepped inside, the door slammed shut behind him. Startled, he turned to face the darkness, but the only sound was the faint creaking of the old wooden floors beneath his feet. Taking a deep breath, he ventured deeper into the manor, his flashlight beam dancing across the faded wallpaper and cracked mirrors. In the living room, he noticed an antique piano, its keys yellowed with age. He hesitated, but curiosity got the better of him. He pressed a few keys, and to his surprise, a haunting melody filled the air, soft, sorrowful, and strangely beautiful. As he played, he felt a chill sweep through the room, as though he were not alone. Suddenly, the air shifted. A whisper echoed around him, barely audible, yet chilling. "Leave. Now." Sam's heart raced. He glanced around, searching for the source of the voice, but there was only the dim light and the stillness of the house. Determined to uncover the truth, Sam ascended the grand staircase, each step groaning under his weight. At the top, he found a long hallway lined with closed doors. One door, slightly ajar, caught his eye. As he approached, the whisper returned, clearer this time, "Help me." Ignoring the growing sense of dread, Sam pushed the door open. Inside was a dusty bedroom, with a faded photograph of a young woman on the nightstand. Her eyes seemed to follow him. As he reached for the picture, the temperature dropped, and the whisper turned into a desperate plea, "I'm trapped, free me." Suddenly, the walls of the room began to tremble, and the furniture shook violently. Sam stumbled back, terrified. He turned to flee, but the door slammed shut. The whispers grew louder, more frantic, filling his mind with visions of turmoil and despair. He could see the woman in the photograph, her face twisted in anguish, trapped in a cycle of sorrow. In a moment of clarity, Sam remembered the stories he had heard. The Lady of Holloway Manor had been wronged in life, her spirit imprisoned within the walls. He closed his eyes, centering himself amidst the chaos, and decided to confront the spirit. "I want to help you," he shouted, his voice echoing. The whisper ceased, replaced by an eerie silence. The air grew still, and a gentle warmth enveloped him, as if the house itself were listening. "Find my locket, bring peace," the voice whispered one last time before fading into the silence. With his heart pounding, Sam opened his eyes. The door creaked open, and he rushed back down the stairs, determined to search the house for the locket. After what felt like hours of searching, he stumbled upon a hidden compartment in the library. Inside lay a tarnished silver locket, engraved with the same initials as the woman in the photograph. As he held it close, a wave of ethereal light engulfed him. The house shuddered gently, and the lingering whispers transformed into a soothing melody. With the locket in hand, he raced outside, and as he crossed the threshold of the door, he felt a rush of cool air, like a sigh of relief. From that day on, Holloway Manor stood silent, its spirit finally at rest. The townsfolk found the house transformed, a peaceful place shrouded in a gentle glow, and Sam, forever changed by the experience, became the storyteller of the haunted house, ensuring that the tale of the whispering walls would live on, reminding everyone that even the restless can find peace.